Hello everyone. So we'll discuss Shira Rogas in this video. So as all of you know, before going into detail of this Shira Rogas, just we'll go through the importance, importance of Shiras. So in Charaka Sutrasthana 17th chapter, you get a reference Pranaha Pranabhrutam Yatra Shritaha Sarvendriyani cha Yaduttamanganam Shirastat Tabidiyate. Okay. So it is known as Uttamanga for existing vital organs like Prana, Indriya, Pranavaha Srotas, Sadhyo Pranahara Marma, Pranavata, Sadhaka Pitta, Alochaka Pitta, Darpaka Kapha, and it is the seat of all Jnanavaha and Chestavaha Prayataha. Okay. So you get references about this, the importance of Shiras, that is as told in Charaka Sutrasthana. It is said that it is the seat of Prana and all the Indriyas. And in Atharvana Veda, Shiras is explained as Deva Kosha. And in Taittiriya Upanishad, it is explained as Manomaya Kosha. And in Yoga Shastra, it is explained as a seat of Sahasrara Chakra. And in Bhela Samhita, you get a reference as, it is named as Shiro Hridaya. Okay. So while explaining the importance of Shiras, Vagbhata has described the body as Urdhva Moola and Adha Shaka. Okay, so Urdhva Moola, nothing but the Shiras, and Adha Shaka, that is the extremities. So if the root is destructed, the plant also gets destructed. Likewise, if the head is injured, the death proceeds. So only it is advised to protect the head from all the diseases as well as all the injuries. Okay, so like that, the Shiras, it is compared with the tree. Okay, the roots are compared with the Shiras, and all the leaves, branches are compared with the Adha Shaka, that is the extremities. Okay, if the root is get nourished properly, then only the tree gets survived. Like that, if the Shiras gets nourished, or if it is protected properly, then only the body survives, or the person survives, or the death occurs. So moving to the definition of this Shiro Rogas. So Shiro Roga Shabdena Shirogata Shula Rupa Ruja Abhidiyate. Okay. So the diseases in which headache or Shira Shula is the prime symptom. So those are named as Shiro Rogas. Next we'll move to classification. So according to Sushruta, he has told 11 types of Shiro Rogas. According to Vagbhata, he told 19 types of Shiro Rogas. So it includes 10 Shiro Rogas and 9 Kapalagata Rogas, the scalp disorders. And according to Acharya Charaka, he has explained 5 types of Shiro Rogas. We'll move to according to Sushruta's classification. Okay. Shiro Rujati Matyanam Vata Pitta Kafaihi Stribhihi Sannipatena Raktena Kshayana Krimibhistata Suryavarta अनंतवाता अर्धावभेदक शंककैः एकादश प्रकारस्य लक्षणं संप्रवक्षते. So in this quotation, Sushruta has told all 11 types of Shiro Rogas, namely Vataja Shiro Roga, Pittaja Shiro Roga, Kafaja Shiro Roga, Raktaja Shiro Roga, Sannipataja Shiro Roga, Krimija Shiro Roga, Kshayaja Shiro Roga, Suryavarta, Anantavata, Ardhavabhedaka and Shankaka. And moving to Vagbhata's explanation, so as earlier told, Vagbhata told 19 types, that is 10 Shiro Rogas, 9 Kapalagata Rogas. So among the Sushruta's classification, Vagbhata has not explained Kshayaja Shiro Roga and Anantavata. So 11 minus 2, 9. So he added one more, that is Shiro Kampa. Okay, so 10 Shiro Rogas, and he added extra 9 Kapalagata Rogas, that is the scalp disorders. So according to Vagbhata, the 9 Kapalagata Rogas as follows: Upashirshaka, Arumshika, Darunaka, Indralupta, Khalitya, Palitya, Shiro Granthi, Shiro Arbuda and Shiro Vidradi. Next, according to Acharya Charaka, he told 5 types, namely Vataja Shirashula, Pittaja Shirashula, Kafaja Shirashula, Tridoshaja Shirashula and Krimija Shirashula. Okay. Then we'll discuss some Samanya Nidana of Shiro Rogas. Okay, so this you get the reference Ashtanga Hridaya Uttara Tantra 23rd chapter. Okay, so there Vagbhata tells Dumatapa Tusharambu Krida Ati Swapna Jagaraihi Utsvedadi Purovata Bashpa Nigraha Rodanehi अत्यम्बु मद्यपानेन कृमिभिर्वेगधारणैः उपदानमृजा अभ्यङ्गदोषादः प्रतते क्षणैः असात्म्यगन्धदुष्टामभाष्यादैश्च शिरोगतः जनयन्त्यामयान् दोषः. So Bhagavata tells Dhumatapa Sevana. Okay, Dhumatapa Tusharambu Krida Ati Swapna Jagaraihi. That is Dhumapana, either by smoking or exposure to smoke causes Pitta and Rakta, okay, vitiation and some of the allergic disorders. Okay, then Atapa Sevana, okay, Dhumatapa, exposing to dust. Okay, then Tushara Sevana, that is exposing to snow or moisture which causes vitiation of Kapha dosha. Then Jala Krida, okay, Ambu Krida, that is Jala Krida, that is swimming or diving or staying in water for longer duration, again which causes the vitiation of Kapha dosha. Then Ati Swapna Jagaraihi, that is Diva Swapna, that is sleeping in daytime, and Nishi Jagarna, awakening in night time. Then he tells Ati Sveda, that is Urdhvanga Svedana, okay, excessively done. Then Purovata, that is Purva Vata Sevana, exposure to air coming from the east direction. Okay. Then Bhashpa Nigraha Rodanehi, that is Bhashpa Nigraha, suppression of tears, again which causes the Vata dosha vitiation. And Ati Rodana, excessive weeping or excessive crying. Okay. Then it tells Atyambu Madhyapanena, that is Atyambu Pana, excessive intake of fluids. And Ati Madhyapana, excessive intake of alcoholic drinks leading to Dhatu Kshaya and also the Oja Kshaya. Then Krimibir Vegadharanaihi, it is krimi, the worm infestation. Okay, it also leads to Shirorogas. Then Vegadharana, suppression of natural urges, that is Adharniya Vegadharana. Okay. Then he tells Upadana Mrija Abhyanga Dveshadaha Pratate Kshanaihi. That is Upadana Mrija means sleeping over the heighted pillows than the normal one. Then Abhyanga Dvesha, rejecting the head massage. And Pratate Kshanaihi means looking upward or downward for longer duration. Okay. Then Asatmya Gandha Sevana, that is inhaling bad or unsuitable smell or Gandha. Then Dushita Amadosha, okay, and Ati Bhashana. Okay. Asatmya Gandha Dustama Bhashadaischa Shirogataha. Okay, that is excessive talking or loud talking. Okay, both can be taken. Okay. So next we'll move to the first classification, that is the Vataja Shiroroga. Okay. So for this, Shushruta tells Yasya Animittam Shiraso Rudascha Bhavanti Tivra Nishicha Ati Matram Bandhopatapaischa Bhaved Visheshaha Shiraso Abhitapaha Sa Samiranena. Okay, the vitiated Vatadi doshas cause headache without any obvious cause. Okay, Yasya Animittam. Okay. The pain is more in night time, and there you can see Nishi Cha Ati Matram. Okay, the pain is more or severe at night time. And Bandhopatapaischa, that is by tight bandhana and Svedana karma or by Ushna Upachara, the pain gets reduced or the person feels comfortable. So Vagbhata tells Tatra Maruta Kopataha Nistudyate Vrisham Shankho Ghata Sambhidyate Tata Bruor Madhya Lalatam Cha Patati Vati Vedanam Vadyate Svanataha Shotre Nishkrishete Ivakshini. Okay. Gurnativa Shiraha Sarva Sanidabhya Iva Muchyate Spuratyati Shirajalam Kandaraha Anusangraha. Prakasha Shasasahata Grhana Sravo Akasmat Vyatha Shamo Mardavam Mardana Sneha Sveda Bandhaischa Jayate Shirastapo Yam. It is stored in Ashtanga Hridaya Uttara Tantra 26th chapter. Okay. So severe pricking pain is experienced at temporal region, back of the neck, frontal part, and at the root of nose, that is brow. Okay. Associated with Karna Shula, that is otalgia, Karna Nada, tinnitus, pain in the eyes, vertigo, that is Brahma, and photophobia will be there. Okay, Prakasha Asahishnata, and there will be neck rigidity, and dislocation of joints, and overall discomforts in the body will be experienced by the person. Then moving to the chikitsa, so Shira Abhyanga is told, the head massage, okay, with Narayana Taila or Mashadi Taila or Prasarini Taila or Bala Taila. And Sneha Pana should be done with Varunadi Grita or Kakolyadi Grita. Then lepas have been told, external application. For this, Kustadi lepa has been told, prepared with Kusta, Eranda Mula grinded with Kanji or Takra. Then Devadarvadi lepa, prepared with Devadaru, Tagara, Kusta, Jatamamsi, Shunti mixed with Kanji. Then Chandanadi lepa, prepared with Chandana, Kamala, Kusta, Pippali mixed with Jala. Okay, and some of the Nasya yogas have been told. These are classical, okay, classical Nasya yogas. It can be done with Anu Taila or Shadbindu Taila or Rasnadi Taila or Brahat Panchamula Kshira. Then Shira Basti is told with Kshira Bala Taila and Nirgundi Taila. Then Dhumapana is told, in this Nahika Dhumapana is indicated. Okay, and internally Rasnadi Gugulu and Trifla Gugulu. Okay, and some of the yogic practices have been advised like Anuloma Viloma Pranayama and Shavasana. Okay, so this is about the introduction of Shira Rogas, its classification, Samanya Nidana, and the first type, that is the Vataja Shira Roga or Vataja Shira Shula according to various acharyas. Okay, thank you everyone.